Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about new vacancy. But before that I'm gonna talk about something more related to what after BDS. See, if you are looking for the jobs after BDS, let me tell you something. From the August to the March or the Feb, this is the 6-7 months which are very crucial because all the JRship used to out in these months, their result as well as the jobs, the opportunity, whatever you want in a government hospital or a government college, these are the best months that you can explore and can get the job in your hand. So whenever you are planning for what after BDS and you are looking for some government job or the government related experience, do check out in these months or be a little alert in these months, like from August to February. Like today also, in this video I'm gonna talk about the last JRship of this session. Yes, it is the JRship that is in the Ram Manohar Lohia Institute of Medical Sciences, with the total number of vacancies is 180 vacancies in number, and that too only for the MBBS as well as the BDS graduate. That is the 15th February of this year. RML IMS job notification releases the information for the hiring of the junior resident post, which has been released on their official website, which is shown on your screen. Candidates who are planning to start their career can apply online application on or before 15th February of this year. See the qualification in detail for the JRship. MBBS degree in a university recognized by the Medical Council of India or a graduate medical degree recognized by the National Medical Commission Act 2019. The candidate will be required to be registered with the UP Medical Council or MCI or NMC. Total period of junior residency, including any previous period of junior residency from any medical or college or institute, cannot be more than 1 year, right? Now, if we talk about the JRship in dentistry, then the BDS degree in the university recognized by the Dental Council of India will be required to be registered with the UP State Dental Council of India. The total time period including in the JRship, that is, cannot be more than 1 year. That means it is the tenure or the time period of 1 year. The most important part is apna sapna money. That is the salary detail. So if you are looking for the JRship in medical, your salary is rupees 56,100 till the range of 1,77,500 per month. And similarly for the JRship dentistry in this hospital or college or in this institute, it is same, that is rupees 56,100 to 1,77,500 per month. Definitely age limit is 40 years. Age relaxation is there, that is for 5 years of the age relaxation for ST/SC. Application fee is also there, that is PWD fees is nil, ST/SC fees is rupees 708. UR, OBC or EWS fees is rupees 1180. Payment mode is online. Selection process will be based upon the written test and the interview. Now the most important part is how you can apply for this vacancy. Interested and eligible candidate can apply online through the official website, which is shown on your screen, till the time period of up to 15th February 2023. Best part is you have to apply online, and that too for only those candidates who are registered with the UP Dental Council or UP State Dental Council of India, right? So all the very best for your preparation as well as for this vacancy. Apply fast and thank me later on. If you like this vacancy, hit the like button to this video. The JRship related questions which are out in the form of PDF, you can have that PDF by DM me on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me there. You can ask for that PDF and you can have it on your WhatsApp, right? Along with that, don't forget to check out the other two related videos, that how to crack a walk-in interview or what are the most commonly asked questions in a JR shift, right? That's all about the today's vacancy. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.